Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sachin V. Bangale, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, JM Veda College of Science, Tala. Now I am here at the discussions of the topics comparative chemistry of group 16 elements. Discussions of the today's contents here: position in periodic table, electronic configurations of group 16 element, trends in physical property, oxidation states, and last one is the allotropy. Here, first point, that is the position in our periodic table. Group 16 elements, where is the presence in our periodic table? These are the whole periodic table, and in this periodic table here these are the blue color arrow, that is the group 16 elements, and name of these elements are here oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. All these are the group 16 elements and presents in our periodic table. The next point is electronic configurations of group 16 elements. Here these are the name of the elements, these are the atomic number, and here electronic configurations of group 16 elements. Here first oxygen, atomic number of oxygen is 8, its electronic configuration He2S2 2p4. Then sulfur, its atomic number 16, electronic configurations of sulfur is Ne3S2 3p4. Then selenium, atomic number 34, its electronic configuration Ar 3d10 4s2 4p4. Tellurium, atomic number 52, Kr 4d10 5s2 5p4. Then last is the polonium, atomic number of polonium is 84, electronic configuration of Xe 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p4. And these are the electronic configurations of group 16 elements. And here the general electronic configurations of group 16 element is NES2 NP4, and this outermost shell of these elements contains 6 electrons. It shows that these elements has 2 half-filled empty orbital which responsible for the chemical bonding with other elements, and these elements may attain noble gas configurations either by gaining 2 electrons forming M2 minus by sharing 2 electrons or forming 2 covalent bonds. Then physical trends in group 16 elements. Here these are the physical trends of the group 16 elements. Here the atomic symbol, oxygen is O, sulfur is S, selenium is C, tellurium T, polonium PO, atomic number oxygen is 8, sulfur is 16, selenium 34, tellurium 52, polonium 84. Then atomic mass of the oxygen is 16, sulfur 32.07, selenium 78.96, tellurium 127.60, polonium 209. Then valency electronic configurations of the group 16 elements. Here first is the oxygen 2s2 2p4, sulfur 3s2 3p4, selenium 4s2 4p4, tellurium 5s2 5p4, and last polonium 6s2 6p4. Then melting point and boiling points in degree centigrades. Here the oxygen minus 219 and its boiling point minus 183 degree centigrade. Then sulfur 150 degree centigrade as a melting point and boiling point 445. Then selenium 221 and its boiling point 685 degree centigrade. Then tellurium melting point 450 degree centigrade and its boiling points 988 degree centigrade. Then last one is the polonium, its melting point 554 and its boiling point is 962 degree centigrade. Then atomic densities of the group 16 elements is first is oxygen 1.31, sulfur 2.07, selenium 4.81, tellurium 6.24, and polonium 9.0. And then atomic radius in picometer in group 16 elements: oxygen 48, sulfur 88, selenium 103, tellurium 123, and last polonium 135. Then first ionization energies of the group 16 element in kilojoule per mole: oxygen 1340, sulfur 1000, selenium 941, tellurium 869, polonium 812. The normal oxidation states of the group 16 elements here: in oxygen -2, sulfur +6 +4 -2, selenium +6 +4 -2, tellurium +6 +4 -2, polonium +4 +2. It's the normal oxidation state. Then at ionic radius of the group 16 elements in picometer, here these are the ionic radius of the group 16 elements. Then electronic affinity of the group 16 elements are here: -141 as oxygen molecule, then -200 degree, -200 kilojoule per mole sulfur, -195 kilojoule per mole in selenium. Is electronic affinity of the tellurium, -190 kilojoule per mole, and polonium -180 kilojoule per mole. Then electronegativity is a very important. In oxygen atom 3.4, sulfur 2.6, selenium 2.6. Electronegativity of the tellurium is 2.1, and last polonium, its electronegativity 2.0. Then standard reduction potential of the oxygen molecule in group 16 elements plus 1.23 in oxygen atoms, its standard reduction potential. Sulfur plus 0.14, then selenium -0.14, tellurium -0.79, and last elements polonium -1.00. Then product of reactions with oxygen. The oxygen molecule is nil. Here the sulfur SO2, selenium SeO2, tellurium TeO2, and polonium is the POO2. These are the productions of reactions with oxygen molecule. These are the physical trends in group 16 elements. The next, atomic and physical properties and their trends in group 16 elements. Here the atomic volume, atomic radius, and density of the group 16 elements. Here the increases regularly with increases in atomic number from oxygen to polonium. Melting and boiling points, these are very important in group 16 elements. As we move down the group, melting and boiling points increases. Polonium has low melting points and boiling point and is not reported. Then ionization energy. The ionization energy of oxygen is very high. That is the 1313.70 kilojoule per mole, while rest of the family member show decreases in ionization energy from 999.4 to 813.5 kilojoule per mole. Then electron gain enthalpy of the group 16 element. The electron gain enthalpy decreases with increases in size of the central atom moving down the group. Oxygen molecule has less negative electron gain enthalpy than sulfur. This is an grounds that oxygen, because of its compressed nature, encounter more repulsion between the electron effectively present and the approaching electron. Because of this electron repulsion, oxygen particles has lesser inclinations than sulfur atom to acknowledge the additional electron. The trends in electronegativity. There is a progressive decline in electronegativity as we move down the group from oxygen to polonium due to increases in nuclear size, and after fluorine, oxygen is the second most electronegative molecules. Then metallic and non-metallic characters of the group 16 elements. Oxygen and sulfurs are non-metal, selenium and tellurium are metalloid, and polonium is a metal under typical conditions. Polonium is a radioactive element. Then why is oxygen as a gas, while sulfur is a solid? That questions is asked so many basic questions. Why is oxygen as a gas while sulfur is a solid? Because it can be explained on the basis of tendency of oxygen to form multiple bonds with itself. Such a tendency is missing in case of sulfur atom. The bond energy of oxygen double bond, oxygen double bond is quite large, being about 3 times that of oxygen single bond. On the other hand, sulfur double bonds is not very strong, its bond energy being less than twice the value of sulfur single bond. So as the result, the catenated oxygen chains are less stable as compared to the oxygen bonds. With catenated sulfur single bond chains are more stable as compared to sulfur double bond molecule, and therefore oxygen as a diatomic gas exists as a acid solid at room temperature. This is a very important question. Why in oxygen gas and with sulfur is solid? Here oxidation state of group 16 elements. In group 16 elements, these are the oxidation state. Here the general outer electronic configurations of the group 16 element is NS2, NP4, and here the Nobel configurations either by gain of 2 electrons forming M-2 or by sharing 2 electrons in their manner, the shaping 2 covalent bonds. And thus these elements indicate both negative and positive oxidation state. And the regular oxidation state shows by elements of group 16 elements are -2, +2, +4 and +6. And here in this table, these are the elements. Oxygen atomic number 8, symbol O, its oxidation state -1, -2, +1, +2. Then sulfur, its atomic number 16, its oxidation state -2, +2, +4, +6. Then selenium, its symbol Fe, atomic number 34, its oxidation state -2, +2, +4, +6. Then tellurium, symbol Te, atomic number 52, its oxidation state -2, +2, +4, +6. And last polonium, its symbol Po, atomic number 84, its oxidation state +4, +2. Then last points, allotropic. Then allotropics of the oxygen, each of the elements of group 16 display allotropy. Oxygen has 2 allotropics, oxygen and ozone. See the picture. Here these are the structures of oxygen molecule, and here these are the ozone structures of the ozone molecule. And here these are the 2 oxygen molecule. Here is the 3 oxygen molecule. That is the name of the ozone, and here the name of the oxygen. Then oxygen show high electronegativity in all its metal oxides. Oxygen demonstrate a negative oxidation state of -2 despite -2 oxidation state. Oxygen illustrate -1 oxidation state in peroxides and -1/2 oxidation state in superoxide. It can be seen in the following diagram. Here these are the oxygen molecule, these are the electronic pictures of the oxygen molecule, and here O2 minus, these are the superoxides of the O2 molecules, superoxide anion, and here these are the peroxides O2 minus 2, the electronic structures of the peroxides. And here this is a hydrogen peroxide, its molecular formula H2O2, here hydroxyl radical OH, and here hydroxyl ion OH minus. And these are the variation oxidation states of the oxygen molecule. Then sulfur, the allotropics of the sulfur are here the alpha sulfurs or rhombic sulfurs or octahedral sulfur. Then beta sulfur or monoclinic or primestic sulfur, gamma sulfur or monoclinic sulfur, and here the sulfurs are plastic sulfur, the most stable sulfur at room temperature in rhombic sulfur. And here the rhombic sulfur is insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like benzene, alcohol, ether, etc. The monozonic sulfur is stable above 368.5 Kelvin, that is the 95.5 degree centigrade. At 95.5 degree centigrade, both rhombic and monoclinic sulfurs are equilibrium, and this temperature is known as transition temperature of the sulfur. And these are the pictures of the S8 sulfur molecule. And here, when liquid sulfur is poured in water, plastic sulfur of sulfur will be formed. Then alpha, beta, gamma sulfur contain S8 ring, which are puckered ring or crown shape. Then selenium has 6 allotropics, of which there are red non-metallic form containing Se8 ring on amorphous red from 2 gray metallic forms. Oxygen, sulfur show cationation tendency. Sulfur has maximum tendency. Sulfur can form chain with 10 sulfur atom H2SN, N is equal to 2 to 10, and oxygen can form only peroxide chain, that is the H2O2. These are the allotropics of the sulfur and oxygen molecule in group 16 elements. These are the oxides of sulfurs. Here, these are the picture. Here, the SO2 molecule. These are the SO3 molecules. Here, H2O molecule, SO3 molecules, and here these are the S8O molecules of the sulfur atoms. And these are the various allotropics forms of the sulfur molecule. Thank you very much.